You know what I'm saying? You got caught. That's the game, right? That's the game, right? You keep going until you get caught. You got caught.
January 9th, 2023. A man walks into a Georgia dealership expecting keys and leaves in handcuffs. What follows is a lesson in fraud arrests and the limits of custodial questioning. The charge is identity fraud. The real story is everything the officers got right and the single shortcut at the end that could have unraveled all of it.
Get out of the car. Come here. Get out of the car. That's blocked.
Hello.
Turn around for me. Hands up. You got anything on you I need to know about?
What's going on, man?
What just happened?
Huh?
What just happened?
Well, we got a call, that's all. Can you step out for me?
Go ahead.
She gonna step out on that end over there.
I have a pending signal 64 and pull up with Mark 5224 Beaufort Highway. Reference to an aggressive customer that you're gonna leave.
Sir.
Turn around for me. Put your hands up for me. Okay. Do you have anything loose up in your pockets? No.
I just need you to stay right here for me, alright?
I'm 10-7.
You got ID on you? Huh?
Real fun. Morning watch should be logging out shortly.
Put your hands up. Is there anything in your pockets I need to know about?
Where's that 25? 203, 1041.
Wait, what?
203.
Why you got a call for?
Huh?
What did you get a call for?
The people in here. I'll give you more info when I get more info. Just sit tight, alright? Come step out of the car for me. Come step out of the car for me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car now.
Just stay right here for me. Stay right here for me. Stay right here for me. 315 radio.
Go ahead.
Get 2729 check, all in. Nah. I just stay right here, man. Stay right here, dude. You moving around too much for me.
Because it's like, what did y'all just?
You see what I'm saying? You moving around too much for me. You making me, you going in and out of the car, you know what I'm saying? So just, okay, just relax right here. Have I put you in cuffs yet? So okay, we relaxing right now. I just need you to relax right here for me, alright?
Hello?
Is this your registered vehicle?
This is my company's vehicle.
Your company's vehicle?
Now, call, let you know.
Huh?
I said, can I give them a call?
So
Or
my,
what are we gonna
my
stop
question for you is, how do you know him?
He's a client.
He's a client?
Yeah.
So were you giving him, because it's a limousine, right? Because the tag is L? So he's kind of like an Uber situation?
Basically, it's a limo situation. So basically like an Uber, they pay us, we take them to where they need to go, and then after it's done, we gotta drop them off, we get paid.
Okay.
It's limo.
Alright.
Boys is here. To the dealership to get my key. Bro, the other key for the car. He told me I would sit you to go get it. I don't even know, bro.
Negative. Returns for
Nah, bro, they just...
details back to the Lewis.
That shit is crazy. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just leave my, I'm putting my items down.
Okay, look. I told you to stay out of the car, man. Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on, let me put my... Yo, Naya, can you come get my phone?
Where did Rodriguez go?
Can you give it to her?
You want this to go to her?
Yeah, can you give it to her?
You got any ID on you?
I just gave it to her. I got it. You give all my belongings around. Yep.
My safe one is
Can you give it to her? Alright.
Where's his ID?
It's a call. Alright, no problem. It's a call it's a caller. Can you give her my...
I understand, but this would be going with you?
No.
Possibly? So...
No, can you just give it to her?
Give what to her?
All
Everything?
all my stuff, yeah. Oh, him right here. Him right here. You can give it to him. Either one is good.
Sit right there for me.
Yeah. Hold on. Take my chain off my neck.
You good?
Let me get his chain.
You hit your head? You good?
I'm good. What are they even here for?
319, 1025.
Put your foot in for me. I'll crack the window for you. Hold on.
So the guy in all gray,
Yes.
we have him.
Yes.
So did you already do a report for the stolen vehicle on the 27th?
No. So here's what happened. 40 minutes ago, we got a call from the lender that we established a loan with, and told us that the actual identity holder called in and verified that it's identity theft. So this gentleman has stolen somebody else's identity by a car.
Okay, buying a car?
Yes.
And he bought the car through y'all?
Correct.
Okay.
Here's the whole folder and the file, and well, I can't give that to you, but we can make copies and stuff. But
I'm just gonna I'm not taking anything.
he
So
basically
whose
signed
identity did he steal?
this whole person's. Kyle,
Kyle?
is that the ID he gave you?
No.
So we got a call stating that you came up here before with a fake ID and stole a vehicle from them.
Stole a vehicle.
That's the call we got, all right? So that's why we out here, because they're stating that you've stolen a vehicle from them before. Okay? So that's why we out here. Okay? So that's why you detained until we can do our investigation to look into this further. You know what I'm saying? All right?
What's the license he gave you? Yeah. So he did fraudulent activity buying another person's car, and they actually sold it to him. They apparently have all the paperwork.
He bought.
Yeah, go after. He bought a car using Kyle identity, and apparently they sold it to him.
They sold him the car.
Yeah, he has a whole folder of all the paperwork. My question for you is, what do you want to do with them? Do you want to let them go and give the keys back to him? I took the keys out because I didn't want them taken off.
Yeah, we good. We got who we need.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, how are you?
So tell me what's going on.
So the gentleman in the gray sweatpants and sweatshirt representing himself as Kyle, which is an identity he stole to try to purchase a vehicle from our dealership.
So did the Kyle guy call you guys and say that?
He called the lien holder after it hit his credit and validated that it's 100% a stolen identity, and he did not purchase a vehicle from us. And this gentleman has a Audi S5 that we need to get back.
Does the individual that saying his identity was stolen, does he have a police report out on it? Is he from Georgia or
no, New Jersey?
New Jersey? This, let me see. Is this the folder?
Yes.
You got the
So here's the ID. Is that the ID he gave you?
Yeah, it's a New York ID. So did he bought it straight out, or is he making payments on it?
Well, there were going to be payments on it under another person's identity.
Okay. Did he give you a Georgia address?
No.
No.
Did the whole thing under New Jersey.
So what did he come back up here today for?
He thought he was coming to collect a check.
Okay.
And a second key.
So,
But that's why he
had
did
you
it.
done a report on this before? Have you
We
done?
just found out minutes ago. And so we were getting ready to file this report, but he said, I'm already in the area, I'm going to stop by. So this all happened. We haven't had a chance. We just found out from the lien holder a very short period of time ago.
They took off as soon as I
Here
pulled
it is.
in,
Here it is.
and he's out there flipping out.
Unit number
You know what's up.
306.
That's the driver's license.
So that's a driver's license that he provided you, correct?
That's the same.
This, no, he provided this driver's license.
But this guy provided that driver's license.
That's correct.
Which where?
So he gives a fake ID. And you'll get the guy's whole credit background and life history.
Let me take this one.
My company asked if I can stick around to see if he's going to be taken, you know? And like if he's, yeah, they just want me to stick around and see, just because he's paying for, you know, the out, like he still has like what 2-3 more hours with us, you know.
Okay.
So you know, if they taking him, then you know that is what it is. But if not, you know, just kind of want to stick around and see.
Okay. So all the information he gave you like that guy's driver's license, he gave you a social security number.
Well, he had the driver's license made, so he's got a copy of it, but we've got a system where we run driver's licenses called Fraud Fighter. And out-of-state licenses don't work perfect, right? But it failed the Fraud Fighter.
Okay.
So we asked a series of follow-up questions, background questions, credit questions, and he was able to answer those. But it turns out all he did was steal the guy's identity, get a fake driver's license, and is using that. So who knows how many cars he bought too? I only know about the car he bought from us.
So you don't know where that car is at now?
No, that's why I need your help for him.
Can you go ahead and get me all that car information?
So they saying that I stole a car from them?
You used a fake ID to purchase a car from them in December.
What?
It's the same picture.
He got me on there?
Yeah.
So what are they saying? They about to...
You got an Audi?
No, I don't have no vehicle. My vehicle was stolen.
What vehicle was it?
I had a 4 Series.
4 Series what?
4 Series BMW. So what, you about to hold me?
You're being detained right now until I do some further investigation, alright?
Could I tell my driver? Can you just tell him that they could go ahead?
You already told him he can go ahead.
No, I don't know.
But he just sitting there because her car's in front of him. He can't move nowhere right now. The guy that I have in the back of my car detained came up to Nissan in December and purchased a vehicle from them, an Audi, with another gentleman's identification. So it has another person's name and everything from New Jersey, and they're saying that this is the same guy, but when I look at this New Jersey ID and I look at his ID that he provided for me, the New Jersey ID, this guy looks a lot heavier than this guy is. They just found out today, they're saying. So now they're saying that they just found out today that the identification of the person called them and said that they never purchased a vehicle, this is identity fraud. And they said that they called him to say, hey, we got a second set of keys for you, you know, just to lure him up here, and he came up here. Yes, they're saying that he's the one who bought it, but the picture that I'm seeing on here is totally different from the ID that he provided for me. When did he come up here?
December 27th, I believe.
Would you have video of that?
Yeah.
So I ran his New York State license. It's revoked. All right, sir. Thank you.
Are y'all going to be able to ask him about where the car's location is?
He's saying he don't have a car. And honestly, man, vehicle.
Have you looked up that name with that date of birth?
It hit his credit.
Have you looked up that name with the date of birth?
But it hit his credit, and so he was saying, you know, calling them and say, hey, I never bought a vehicle from you guys. I don't know what's going on. This is identity theft. I stay in New Jersey. Why would I come to Georgia to buy a vehicle? You know, so that's when they called him to come up here, and then they called us. No, you can't.
Alright, so can I please just tell him that I have to get my daughter at 6:30? Nobody knows she's out here with me. I have to pick up, please, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, you need to hold on real fast, alright?
Can I please talk to him real quick? That's so I can tell him.
Nah.
Come back.
Yeah. Definitely not you, dude.
I ain't giving you.
It's you on the picture, dude. Come on now.
New Jersey ID.
It's you on the picture, bro. This is you. That's you, bro. That's you.
I ain't giving New Jersey.
That says New Jersey, bro. Come on. All right. You're not going to talk your way out of this, bro. You got caught. You know what I'm saying? You got caught. That's the game, right? That's the game, right? You keep going until you get caught. You got caught. All right? Yeah, it's going to be him. He using a New Jersey name, license of a different guy. This gentleman is black. The guy that actually has the New Jersey license is a white individual. Now you're under arrest, all right?
Yo, can you call my mom? Yo. I'm about to be arrested.
Yep.
How long maybe make you stay out here?
All right, man. He under arrest, so y'all can bounce. All right? I'm going to put the car in. That's stolen.
but we can help him with charges, right?
With theft by deception?
Like, we can make a decision whether or not we're charging him, right?
I mean, he's going regardless with the identity theft.
Yeah.
But if you think you can get your vehicle back, if you want to talk to him,
Yes.
you can do that. Just go to that back window right there.
I just want to ask you, okay, and give you an opportunity, right? Because in some ways we get to decide how some of this turns out for you, okay? We've got cameras on every corner, every crevice, every door, every finance office, every hallway, the delivery bay. There's so many pictures of you in that car, leaving in that car, signing for that car, spending hours in our dealership, okay? What would help us is if you give me that car back. And maybe what we can do is help you. It's not going to be like maybe they find out you were here. We've already got the pictures saved on hard drives. So if you could help me, maybe I can help you. Where can we find that car? Because all you're going to do is drag out something that's really, really bad for yourself. And all I want is I don't care who has it. I don't care where it is. I just want the car back. So I don't want to get anybody else in trouble. I don't care. I just need the car back. So where can I find the car? Where can I get the car? Huh? Can you have someone bring it to me? Or would you like me to go pick it up? You can have someone bring it to me? Can I get it tonight so I can answer these officers? How quick can we get? Is it in New Jersey? Is there an address there that I could have my trucker go pick it up? Before you get taken off and we can't talk anymore, is there somebody that I can help you with that I can talk to? All right, so you don't want to give me an address in the car, okay?
Start with the stop. A detention needs reasonable suspicion, and here it came from a dealership naming a specific man in a specific crime. A named citizen carries weight, an anonymous tip never could. The dealership staked its own credibility, and courts treat that as far more reliable. The Supreme Court drew the line in Terry versus Ohio. Officers can freeze a scene on specific facts well short of the probable cause and arrest demands. Ordering him out of the car raises nothing new. Pennsylvania versus Mims allows exactly that on any lawful stop, no extra justification needed. A detention isn't a blank check. It has to stay tied to its purpose and last only as long as the investigation reasonably runs. Timing cuts both ways. Stretch a stop with no real diligence and it can harden into a de facto arrest, which flips the whole analysis. Here's the piece people miss. Being detained is not being in custody for Miranda. A roadside stop, even a tense one, usually doesn't trigger the warnings. The court said so in Berkemer versus McCarty. Routine questioning during a brief detention sits outside Miranda because it isn't the coercive custody the rule was built for. So his early denials, made while officers sorted the facts, come in. No warnings were owed, and nothing there was custodial in the legal sense. Then the picture hardens. Mismatched documents, a revoked license, a photo that doesn't fit the man standing there. Suspicion becomes probable cause. That justifies the arrest. Georgia lets an officer make a felony arrest on probable cause, even for a crime weeks old and out of sight. The instant he's told he's under arrest, everything shifts. Custody attaches. Now, any interrogation by police, or by someone acting for them, needs Miranda first. And this is where it gets interesting. Instead of a warned, officer-led interview, the questioning gets handed to a dealership rep at the patrol car window. Normally, that's fine. Miranda guards against government coercion, not a private citizen's chat. Talk to your neighbor, and the warnings never enter it. The trouble is, who arranged it? Officers pointed him to that window and blessed the talk. A private party questioning at police direction can become their agent. Interrogation isn't only direct questions. Rhode Island versus Ennis counts any words or conduct police should know are likely to pull an incriminating answer. Compare Illinois versus Perkins. A suspect confided in an undercover cellmate he didn't know was a cop. No coercion, no custody pressure, no Miranda. The difference is real. Perkins turned on a man feeling free among peers. A handcuffed suspect pressed at a squad car by someone police steered to him is another world. Layer on the inducement. An officer says, in some ways, we get to decide how this turns out for you. That's leniency offered for a confession. Voluntariness is its own test. Colorado versus Connolly ties a due process claim to police coercion, so the agent question and the coercion question rise together. The stakes are concrete. Name the car's location, and a judge could suppress the statement and the vehicle both as fruit of an unwarned custodial interrogation. He never gave it up. Stalled, offered to have someone bring it, asked for an address, said nothing usable. That silence quietly saved the case from itself, and his refusal can't be used against him. Once the right to silence is live, that choice is a shield, not a brick in the state's wall. On the merits, the conduct fits Georgia's financial identity fraud statute, section 16(9)(1)(21), using another's identifying information to obtain property or credit. The second count, theft by deception, section 16(8)(3). Inducing a dealership to hand over a car through a false identity is a clean fit. One thing clears up fast. The dealership luring him back is no search or seizure. The Fourth Amendment binds the state, not a business guarding its property. Grades. The officers landed a B-. Lawful stop, lawful arrest, minimal force, then a needless gamble that handed a victim the interrogation. The subject sits at a D+. Redeemed only by the discipline to stop talking about the one detail that mattered. The dealership takes a C. The pretext callback was legal and the help was real, but a motivated victim playing interrogator risked the entire prosecution. The lesson for officers is plain. Once custody attaches, keep the interview in your own hands and read the warnings before the first real question. Never let a victim run the confession, however badly they want their property. Their motive is the exact lever a defense lawyer uses to burn the statement. For anyone on the other side, the point is quieter. The right to remain silent isn't a slogan. The man who stayed quiet is why there's still a case to argue. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.